Welcome to Diaztica, the largest mango farm in Mexico. Diaztica proudly boasts around 2,000 acres of mango orchards, harvesting an impressive 18 million pounds of Atolfo, Tommy, Kent, and Keat mangoes annually. Late spring is the best time when farmers here start planting new mango trees. Steel wire is used to help the mango trees grow stably without any tilting. Mango trees embark on their fruitful journey after at least 4 years, finally yielding their first harvest. Strategically planted at optimal distances, these trees are given ample space to thrive, ensuring easy access for care and harvesting. During their growth, farmers diligently prune the trees, promoting robust health and bountiful fruit production. As mangoes develop and ripen on the trees, vigilant monitoring is essential to catch any early signs of disease. Once the trees flower, it takes about 120 days for the mangoes to reach their peak ripeness. The harvesting team then conducts thorough visual inspections, identifying the mangoes that are ready to be picked based on their ripe appearance and sweet aroma. Each year, over 60 million tons of mangoes are produced worldwide, making it one of the most delightful tropical fruits. To meet this tremendous demand, numerous farms harvest tons of mangoes. But how are millions of tons of this fascinating fruit harvested and processed? We visited a factory in southwest Mexico to explore the captivating process of mango harvesting and juice production. Harvesting mangangos at Diaztica is an exciting and meticulously planned event that takes place during the day. The sunlight is essential as it minimizes the flow of latex, a milky and sticky substance produced by the mango tree. This latex can stain and burn the fruits, leading to lower market value or even rejection. During the harvest, each mango is handled with utmost care to avoid bruising, skin damage, or any injuries. After picking, the ripe and high-quality mangoes are carefully sorted, with damaged or unripe ones discarded. These selected mangoes are then placed in specially designed boxes, ensuring they are well protected and remain undamaged during transport. Control is reflected in their impressive annual harvest of over 5 million pounds of mangoes, showcasing their commitment to delivering only the best fruit to the market. Next, the harvested mangoes are carefully loaded onto trucks bound for a processing factory in southwestern Mexico. This factory, a major employer in the region, receives up to 4 trucks daily, each carrying 20 tons of fresh mangoes. Upon arrival, the mangoes undergo a rigorous quality check before being unloaded, ensuring they remain fresh and of high quality. The factory has a dedicated area for receiving mangoes directly from the fields, where they undergo an initial visual inspection by trained workers. Any mangoes with signs of damage, discoloration, or inadequate ripeness are discarded or repurposed for compost or animal feed. The selected mangoes are initially washed with potable water and gently brushed to remove dirt. A second visual inspection ensures they are clean and defect-free. Mangoes not meeting quality standards are eliminated at this stage. Next, the mangoes are immersed in hot water to reduce microbial load. Once sanitized, the highest quality mangoes are boxed for export, while the rest are used for juice production. At the workstation, workers ensure the mangoes are free of contaminants. This task is highly lucrative, with workers earning 20 pesos per box, and skilled peelers can earn up to $40 daily. Professional peelers can handle a 30 kg box of mangoes in just 10 minutes, using sharp knives to efficiently remove the skin. The goal is to peel the mangoes with minimal fruit flesh left on the skin. After peeling, the mangoes are cut into 20 mm cubes for juice extraction. The mango pieces undergo a final inspection to meet quality standards. Acceptable pieces are ground into a fine pulp and transferred to a juice extractor for mechanical pressing. The juice is clarified by filtering out pulp, fiber, and impurities. Then preservatives are added to extend shelf life. The clarified juice is pasteurized at 140-day GC to eliminate bacteria and ensure safety. Next, an appropriate amount of sugar is added to the juice to enhance its sweetness and flavor. After cooling, the juice is bottled and stored under controlled temperatures to maintain freshness before being distributed to stores and supermarkets for consumers to enjoy. Each year, Mexico consumes and exports a large amount of mango juice, supporting countless farmers and workers. In 2023, Mexico consumed about 300 million liters and exported 500 million liters of mango juice. In the first half of 2024, it consumed 150 million liters and exported 250 million liters, affirming Mexico's global leadership in mango juice production. We hope you enjoyed this fascinating tour of the Azteca, where millions of tons of mangoes are harvested and processed with care and precision. This meticulous process ensures that only the highest quality mango juice reaches consumers worldwide. The journey from field to factory is a testament to the dedication and hard work of everyone involved. Their commitment to excellence is evident in every step of the production process. What agricultural product would you like to see featured in our next video? We are always eager to explore new topics and share them with you. Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more captivating insights into the world of farming. Your support and feedback help us improve and bring you better content each time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Follow us on social media for behind-the-scenes content and sneak peeks of upcoming videos. Happy farming!